Then obviously there was a debatable penalty that was given. भाई अभी पता नहीं वो है नहीं है, थी नहीं थी. In recent times you cannot say it much, but obviously scored by Dembele 3-2 at the end of the first half, 1 goal lead to PSG. भाई जनरली होता है कि अगर लीड है फर्स्ट हाफ, you try to come out and stay composed, stay calm, hold up, play, get a bit of possession, थोड़ा सा आराम से खेलते हैं. ये लोग पागल हो गए थे. दे ट्राई टू इंक्रीज इट, बढ़ा दिया भाई. इन लोगों ने इंटेंसिटी बढ़ा दी सेकेंड हाफ में. भाई लीड है, 1 गोल लीड है, ना 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 ना, हाई इंटेंसिटी. भाई अपने पास होम में 3-2 अप है, ना 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 ना, हाई इंटेंसिटी, खत्म. दे ऐसा नहीं कि भाई साइडवेज डिफेंसिव, कुछ भी नहीं. They didn't diverted from their style of play, not for a single minute, even after the lead, even during the start of the second half, even कि भाई इतना high intensity खेल लिया, energy थोड़ा सा बचाते ना. They continue to do it. Both the teams continue to do it, and obviously due to that, Bayern conceded a couple of more. So obviously due to the high positional fluidity, center backs were out of position, contributing more in the attacks. So इसकी वजह से they concede 2 and PSG 5-2 up. भाई एक गधा ही होगा जो इस मोमेंट में सोचेगा, एक बेवकूफ ही होगा सोचेगा that the game is finished. Then obviously comes the fatigue of PSG. Kimmich's set piece, Upamecano goal. 5-3. Then comes Kane and Diaz's brilliance. 5-4. What a play by Luis Diaz in the second half. Second half, Luis Diaz was unstoppable, partnering and composed finish. It was very self-composed finish by Luis Diaz. What a first touch, what a finish. But masterclass by Kane. He is one of the best players of English football that has ever seen. By far, I think. What a player, what a pass, what a false nine play, what a shooting, what a awareness of the game, what a player awareness, situation awareness, the finishing he possesses, the shooting he possesses, the range of passes he has, the link-up play he possesses. My goodness me, what a, भाई अगर बायर्न जीतती है in final, he is a clear-cut Ballon d'Or competitor. He is a clear-cut Ballon d'Or competitor. Brilliant 5-4 by Luis Diaz. The game was on. It was unstoppable, end-to-end fluidity, end-to-end मतलब you cannot express to the intensity. आखिरी सेकंड तक it was like भाई किमिक ने हेडर मारा, it was a goal line clearance by PSG. A couple of loose passes and it was भाई कल कोई loose touch ले नहीं सकता था. It was like कि अगर तुमने loose touch लिया, it can lead to counter attack and it can go to a goal. It was so clinical. The game was so clinical yesterday, and we have seen elite level of football. कोई loose touch नहीं था कल. Very less loose touches, very high finishing conversion rates, very high rate of passing, very high rate of link up play. And there was the mentality. भाई 5-2 down होने के बाद you should have that kind of mentality कि भाई मैं 5 all कर सकता हूँ. This was the mentality with Bayern Munich played, PSG played. सो भाई लोग अति भयंकर वाली रात थी yesterday. एटम बम गिरे हैं कल, एटम बम गिरे भाई. 9 गोल एक रात में, 9 गोल 90 मिनट, 90 मिनट्स ऑफ फुटबॉल, एंड नॉट फॉर अ सिंगल सेकेंड वी वर बोर्ड. एक सेकेंड के लिए बोरियत नहीं आई. यू कैन नॉट डिस्क्राइब दिस इन द वर्ड्स, यू कैन नॉट. इट वॉज प्योर एब्सोल्यूट फुटबॉल. भाई तुम स्टैट्स देख लो ना, स्टैट्स में देखोगी तो PSG भाई 100% shots on target and 100% goal. भाई Bayern Munich 80% on target and 50% goal. This is not normal. This is elite football. It's clinical. It's lethal brand of football that we have seen yesterday. We are privileged कि हमें ये एक और बार, it's gonna be a one more game that we are gonna see. It's going to be one more game. We are privileged to see this. It is absolute madness. Purity and football at its peak of the powers. But it is a pivotal moment in the modern football era, and we are gonna witness it. We are gonna witness it. भाई तुम लोग दोस्तों मानो कि नहीं मानो, as a neutral POV, this was football at its best. Just pure football. You cannot enjoy football more than this. You cannot write a script like this. You cannot play better than this. This is elite level football. हाँ खुशी भाई, जो खुशी मिली है ये फुटबॉल देख के, it's magical. Let's see what happens. The final before the final, a game for the ages that's gonna come. The second leg that we await at the Munich Arena. Let's see what happens.